ocean covers nearly 71% of the Earth's surface and supports almost 50% of all species on the planet, yet 95% of the undersea world has yet to be explored. Hello, blessed viewers, and welcome to Animal World Our Co-Inhabitants on Supreme Master Television. Have you ever experienced the ocean's underwater world? If you haven't, today we're going to take you there to meet one of its masters of the skies, the squid. Squids belong to the class of Cephalopoda and the order Turpida, which contains a total of 298 species, including giant squids, European squids, Caribbean reef squids, and many others. Squids are found in all the Earth's oceans and live at varying depths depending on the species. Generally, however, the largest squids occupy the sea's deeper, colder regions. Squid have inhabited our planet for millions of years. In fact, geology professor Roger Cooper of Lamar University, Beaumont, Texas, USA, found squid fossils from the Cretaceous era in the Big Bend National Park in the United States. The fossils were about 80 million years old and included more than a dozen species. Incredibly, the soft body parts were found preserved even after 89 million years. The main parts of a squid's body consist of an enclosed mantle with openings to the mantle cavity, which contains its gills, reproductive system, and other major internal organs. At the front of the mantle cavity, a part called the siphon allows the squid to move very quickly. Squids suck water into the mantle cavity and quickly force it out of the siphon in a fast, powerful stream. In this way, they generate a precise form of jet propulsion. Two fins are attached to each side of the mantle. These fins are not the main body parts by which squids swim. Instead, they are mainly used for changing directions. The siphon has this function as well. Together, the siphon and fins make it possible for the squid to easily move forward and backward. Wouldn't it be great if humans could move like this in the ocean? Squid have 8 arms and 2 tentacles, which protrude from the tops of their heads. Along the edge of the tentacles are many suckers, which the animal uses to hold onto its food. The mouths of the squids are located in the middle of the heads and have sharp horny beaks, which look like those of parrots. You are watching Animal World Our Co-Inhabitants on Supreme Master Television. Stay tuned. We'll be right back after these brief messages with more on the squid. On Animal World Our Co-Inhabitants today, we are learning more about one of the mysterious animals of the ocean deep, the squid. A squid's two eyes are located on the sides of the head and are used mainly to focus on moving objects. This placement of their visual organs gives the animal 180 degrees of vision. The lenses in the eyes function much like those of cameras, telescopes, and binoculars. In addition, squid have polarized vision, which enables them to detect transparent or semi-transparent objects in the ocean. Scientists believe that among all vertebrates, squid have the best vision. However, they are colorblind. In addition, giant squid and colossal squid have the largest eyes of all animals on Earth. These organs can be as big as dinner plates, and because most species of squid live in the ocean depths, their immense eyes help them to spot the faintest amounts of light and locate moving objects. You may be surprised to know that squid actually have relatively large brains and very complex nervous systems. Their large nerve fibers are able to carry messages at 50 miles per hour. By contrast, a human being's nerve fiber can only carry messages at 4.5 miles per hour. The squid is also a master of disguise. Its skin is covered with pigmented skin cells called chromatophores, and so when it encounters danger, a squid can quickly change its skin cells to different colors, patterns, and even textures in order to blend in with the environment, confuse predators, or attract mates. These colors range from bright red to pink to green. Squids communicate with each other by producing polarized skin patterns and regulating their skin's iridescence. Scientists from the Marine Biological Laboratory at Woods Hole, Massachusetts, USA, have found that a squid may send hidden messages to other squid by using these patterns, while also staying camouflaged from their predators. Moreover, the scientists suggest that these messages can include information on the whereabouts of other squid. Through research on squid's camouflage techniques, scientists are working to produce better camouflage uniforms for soldiers. Squid also have a unique feature in their mantle cavity, a sac containing dark ink. When the creatures cannot frighten predators away through the use of striking color and pattern changes, they can eject ink from these sacs as a last resort to make themselves disappear from view and then slip away from danger. Did you know that squid have 3 hearts instead of just one like most other beings on the planet? Their large systemic heart, whose function is to pump blood around their bodies, is made up of 3 chambers and their 2 bronchial hearts located at the base of their gills and are used to feed the gills by pumping oxygen to them quickly. The hearts are greenish in color and surrounded by the squid's kidneys. Wow, that's quite interesting. When Animal World, our co-inhabitants, returns, we'll find out more about the amazing squid. Please keep your dial tune here to Supreme Master Television.
You are watching Supreme Master Television.
Today's Animal World, our co-inhabitants, features unique beings that dwells in the deep seas, the enigmatic squid. Most species of squid are smaller than 60 centimeters. but some very large squids, such as the giant squid, may reach as much as 10 meters in length. The colossal squid is even larger and may exceed 14 meters, making it the largest vertebrate in the animal kingdom. Since ancient times, countless legends, stories, and myths have arisen about the squid. However, truly little is known about the actual behavior of the giant squids because they live deep in the ocean at about 200 to 1,000 meters below the surface and so are rarely spotted. Nowadays, deep sea exploration technology has become more advanced than ever before, so it will soon be possible for scientists to study this myth-inspiring creature more closely. The squid also shows up in pop culture. The animal is featured in the Harry Potter series of novels as a friendly creature, and in the popular children's TV show SpongeBob SquarePants, Squidward Tentacle is also a humorous cartoon character. In 2001, the existence of an interesting new squid species was reported by the marine biologist in the Journal of Science. This creature has 7-meter or 20-foot long arms and possesses elbows as well. Its long tentacles look like a spider's web and are longer than those of any known squid species on Earth. These mysterious squid have been spotted several times in the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean, as well as in the Gulf of Mexico. For example, one of the creatures was sighted in the western Atlantic off the coast of Brazil at the incredible depth of 5 kilometers or 3 miles below the ocean surface. It's truly remarkable that this strange creature can live in such deep reaches of the ocean. I call it a mystery squid, said Mike Vecchione of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA. Mr. Vecchione also stated that he could not estimate the weight of the animal because it is not like a giant squid, which has a really massive body. This is a fairly small squid with arms that stretch on forever. In 2004, a new species of bobtail squid that possesses a built-in light plate was found in Hawaii. This plate can form subtle but detectable light which may be used to scare away predators. The scientists studying the animal found that its light is produced by an unusual type of protein which was named reflectin. God's creations in our world are truly diverse more than we can ever imagine. May we continue to discover and learn more about the beautiful beings that inhabit this planet to lead a peaceful and respectful coexistence with all. Thank you, charming viewers, for watching today's episode of Animal World, Our Co-Inhabitants. We wish you and your family a very happy new year and infinite blessings from Almighty God. We also wish that all of Earth's animals, our co-inhabitants, flourish and enjoy their precious lives in peace. See you next time.